Salmonella, a zoonotic pathogen that poses a serious risk to both humans and livestock. Salmonella is one of the most common causes of food poisoning, leading to severe symptoms such as diarrhea and abdominal pain through contact with infected animals or consumption of contaminated food. Salmonella is a gram-negative bacillus belonging to the Enterobacteriaceae family, with Salmonella enterica being the representative species. Due to various combinations of somatic and flagellar antigens, it is classified into approximately 2,500 serotypes, making it difficult to accurately differentiate using conventional immunoassays. To address this, Bioneer offers a PCR kit designed to detect high-risk Salmonella serotypes frequently isolated both domestically and internationally. The AccuPower Salmonella SPP 4-plex PCR kit is designed to detect major Salmonella serotypes in a single PCR reaction. The kit uses multiplex PCR to target a Salmonella genus-specific gene along with 3 major serotypes: Enteritidis, Typhimurium, and Choleraesuis, allowing results in approximately 2 hours and improving workflow efficiency. The kit includes PCR premix, sterile distilled water, positive controlled DNA, and a size marker, covering all the essentials for a complete assay. This product is provided in a vacuum-dried premix format, eliminating the need for reagent mixing. Users simply need to add extracted nucleic acids to begin the PCR process, enhancing ease of use and operational convenience. The patented enzyme-based hot start technology minimizes nonspecific amplification during the initial PCR phase, ensuring precise and efficient target gene amplification. Manufactured under ISO-compliant processes using patented technology, the AccuPower Salmonella SPP 4-plex PCR kit is an MFDS-approved veterinary diagnostic product. Experience improved accuracy and efficiency in Salmonella detection with Bioneer's AccuPower Salmonella SPP 4-plex PCR kit.